Green sea turtles do not develop into males or females due to sex chromosomes like humans and most other mammals do. Instead, the temperature outside a turtle egg influences the sex of the growing embryo. And this unusual biological quirk, scientists say, endangers their future in a warmer world. Already, some sea turtle populations are so skewed by heat that the young reptiles are almost entirely female, according to a new report in the journal Current Biology. This is one of the most important conservation papers of the decade, said biologist David Owens, a professor emeritus at the College of Charleston who was not a part of this research. It will not be long, perhaps within a few decades to a century, until there will not be enough males in sea turtle populations, he warned. The sex of a green sea turtle is a result of its environment. They have temperature-dependent sex determination, said Cameron Allen, a National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration endocrinology researcher and co-author of the new study. It's not genetics, it's actually the temperature. At what biologists call the pivot temperature, turtles hatch as a mixture of males and females. For green sea turtles, this temperature is 29.3 degrees Celsius, 85 Fahrenheit. A few degrees below 29.3 C, all the sea turtles are born male. Heat up the eggs and only females are born. That transitional range, from 100% males to 100% females, spans a very narrow band of only a couple of degrees, said NOAA marine biologist and study co-author Michael Jensen. Head toward the equator along Australia's east coast and, near the continent's tip, you will arrive at prime turtle nesting grounds. Some 200,000 turtles lay their eggs at the beaches of Rain Island and nearby cays. It is one of the largest gatherings of green sea turtles in the world. Green sea turtles play critical roles in their ecosystems. They graze sea grass beds like cattle at pasture, and the turtles' nibbles appear to keep plants healthy. Where the turtles feed is pristine, Jensen said, untouched by human civilization. Dugongs and tiger sharks cruise by. And there are loads and loads of turtles. It really is the ideal place to study turtles, he said. There's 30 years of knowledge about this population along the east coast of Australia. That's where the study authors were waiting. For several weeks, the scientists collected turtles, took plasma samples and released the animals. It is difficult to distinguish young male turtles from females. Their external features are unhelpful. You cannot simply flip a subadult turtle over and inspect the undercarriage. In the past, researchers cut open juvenile turtles to inspect their gonads. But the researchers want to minimize their impact on the population. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists these animals as endangered. And laparoscopic turtle surgery is an untenable proposition at scale. Allen worked on a new technique to reveal the turtle's sex through their hormones. The scientists examined the plasma samples in a California lab. You can't use genetic tests, Allen said, because they don't have sex chromosomes like humans do.